Alright guys, we're going to take a look at this URGENEX JST connected LiPos. We got in the a 2-pack 1200 mAh. I'll put a link in the description for them. And they come with a pretty cool charger. You charge 2 at once and it's supposed to be pretty fast. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to see how well they charge and how long it takes. I'm going to use a standard phone charger, USB mount, one of those. And we'll see how long it takes. You're going to have to take my word for it. I'm not sitting here with a stop clock or a stopwatch. So let me get it set up and we'll see what it does. Good long cord, so if these work decent, then that's a good solution for when you're in your car. You know, USB chargers are everywhere, so that's something that's always a problem. Alright, so our lights are blinking. Supposedly, you can plug them both in at the same time and they both charge. Like most chargers, it will only charge one. But we're starting the time. I'm catching the timer. Let me just get my... Alright, timer. Alright, we will start it. Not mistaken, plug them in and the little lights will start. Yeah, there they go. And they're both going. Let's see what else this is. User manual. Just explains positive and negative report because you use the wrong one, it'll fry it. That's pretty good. It tells you what your max charges are in general. Your general ones. All right, I'll be back once it's done charging. All right, so they finished charging. This was the first charge, never been charged, so this is the way they came. It took a little longer than I expected. It took almost an hour. It was like 52 minutes or something like that, but that's first charge. So we're gonna run these and then we're gonna redo it and see if the times change. And, it did work good. You know, lights went green, everything did the way it's supposed to. Let's see what we got here. If I plug this into this guy. Oh, anyways. So yeah, see, you pull it out, it turns red. So looks pretty good. These chargers seem to work good. They're good for a backup. Not sure they're really fast, but we'll see on the second charge. This was the first one, so I don't know what these were drained to. I don't know anything about that. So why is that blinking? Oh, there it goes. Anyways, we'll have an addendum after we run this again, and we'll recharge it and we'll see how well they do. So I'm looking forward to it. Get the crawlers out, see where we go. No idea how much of that I recorded or didn't record. I think runs good on this. Ooh, that's fast. Did I turn it off? Oh, FedEx is here. I think I gotta adjust this a little so I can get on there. Oh, tumble wumble. Let's try that again. So close. When I get that, come in a little wider.
Nice.